Big brands like Coca-Cola, Adidas, and McDonald's are using AI to create jaw-dropping CGI ads, and they are saving thousands of dollars. You might think you need Blender or After Effects to do the same, but what if I told you I made a CGI ad using a secret AI tool?
A rooftop in the golden hour, sunlight on your face, friends around the table, and nothing else that matters. There's something about the sound of a Coca-Cola.
I made this whole Coca-Cola commercial using the secret AI website with just images and prompts. And the best part, you can use this to make a ton of money too. Let me show you how. The name of the website is Nim AI, and it is awesome. So this is the interface of Nim AI. Here is your ID and credits. As you can see, people have used Nim AI's text-to-video tool a lot. The quality of these videos looks superb. Not only this, you can also generate AI video from images, and you can also use various features like upscaling, adding sound, lip sync, and many more tools. Now to make an AI-generated ad, we'll need ChatGPT to generate image as well as animation prompts. After copying the prompts, we'll head up to Nim AI to generate images, and then we'll convert them to AI animation. Now just head over to the Create tab. As you can see, you have a ton of options to choose from, but for now, we'll choose Image or Video option. Here you can write your image generation prompt, and with this rewrite button, Nim AI will rewrite your text in detail so it makes the prompt better. Here you can select your image generation model, and as you can see, there are a lot of options to choose from. After a while, your image will be generated and you can easily download them. Now I'll animate this image to test out Nim's AI image to video generation capabilities. Firstly, I'll select the desired image and then I'll write a detailed prompt of the animation. After that, I'll select the AI model. In my opinion, Kling Pro model is really good, but you can try the other ones as well. After selecting the model, just hit generate, and in a few minutes, your AI video will be generated. As you can see, the image has been turned into a video. You can also add sounds or lip sync and many more things. This is how the final video looks like. The animation looks flawless. Now I'll animate this image as if the girl is drinking the Coca-Cola. I'll use the same process as I did earlier. As you can see, with just a simple prompt, Nim AI can generate amazing videos. Now let's check out the final video.
A rooftop in the golden hour, sunlight on your face, friends around the table, and nothing else that matters. There's something about the sound of a Coca-Cola being opened that instantly takes you somewhere better. It's not just a drink. It's a small spark of joy passed from one hand to another. Because the best moments in life deserve the real thing. Coca-Cola, taste the moment and make it unforgettable.
As you just saw, Nim AI is pretty awesome. With just a few images and prompts, it has made a proper commercial, which is just amazing. Now, if you want, you can check out Nim AI through the link in the description. You can also try Nim AI for free, but if you ask me, I would go for the Pro model as I'm a content creator, and this will help me a lot. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, and if you want to know how I generate my voiceovers with AI for free, check out this video, and I'll see you there.